Have you ever found yourself so focused on specific food that you can't think of anything else? Unfortunately, it happens to the best of us. In fact, many of you over the years have asked how to stop food cravings. Well, it turns out it was dopamine, a hormone that makes you feel good. Whenever you eat sugar, salt, or fat, it encourages the body to release dopamine. This reaction makes certain foods and beverages pleasant, but it also makes you want more. There's no harm in fulfilling these desires now and then. Still, if you're having trouble controlling your appetite for unhealthy foods, it's time to find some healthy alternatives by checking facts from several reports. But before sharing, let's first talk about what actually is food craving, and where does this food habit come from? True hunger usually develops over several hours following your last meal. Physical manifestations including a growling stomach and irritation. True hunger, on the other hand, is characterized by its lack of specificity. True hunger can be quenched by almost any food, while cravings, on the other hand, usually strike quickly and are focused on a specific food. Have you ever felt compelled to eat chocolate or nachos, or French fries, or any other highly appealing food all of a sudden? Well, that's a strong desire you've got there. Now, where does the food habit come from? First, it's helpful to understand where food cravings originate if you want to stop them. Cravings can strike without warning and for no apparent reason. However, many nutritionists have noticed a few distinct patterns that enhance the risk of cravings. When we eat to meet emotional needs rather than bodily ones, we are said to be emotional eaters. According to studies, highly appetizing foods can cause dopamine to be released, making particular foods seem to make you calm whether you're stressed, anxious, lonely, bored, angry, or depressed. Sometimes when people are in a bad mood, they usually crave chocolate or French fries, not broccoli. Cravings for food can be influenced by conditioning as well. Do you always get milk duds at the movies, or do you treat yourself to a beer at the end of the day? Food cravings could be the result of associations you've formed over time. You may be wondering about the function of hormones in food cravings if you're a woman. However, a recent study has cast doubt on the long-held belief that PMS is linked to food cravings. That study polled 275 women from various cultural backgrounds, which showed foreign-born women were much less likely to report chocolate cravings before their periods than women born to American parents and second-generation immigrants. So, now that we really know what causes cravings, what should we do about them? Healthy way number 1. If you have frequent, intense cravings for certain meals, it's possible that your body may be trying to compensate for a nutritional deficiency. For example, chocolate cravings are thought to be caused by a magnesium shortage, whereas sugar cravings are thought to be caused by a chromium deficiency in the diet. Zinc can also control your appetite by keeping your levels healthy. To correct any dietary deficits, make sure you're consuming a wide variety of nutritional meals. Healthy way number 2. Have you ever noticed that the harder you attempted to ignore your urges, the worse they became? According to a study published in the journal Appetite, many people crave the foods they must try to avoid. Rather than going cold turkey on your junk food addiction, allowing yourself a small amount of what you want can assist in lessening the temptation to binge on your favorite foods. Healthy way number 3. Whether your cravings are caused by hunger, boredom, or a lack of ambition, going for a run or going to the gym may help you resist giving in. According to a study led by a researcher at Loughborough University, exercise is not only a terrific way to distract yourself from your hunger, but it also helps to suppress your appetite. Furthermore, getting active will make you feel better about your physique, and you wouldn't want to undo all your hard work with a junk food binge, right? Healthy way number 4. According to research, eating carbohydrates like pasta, bread, and potatoes boosts the synthesis of the happy hormone, serotonin, in the brain. This could explain why, when we're feeling depressed, many of us seek these comfort foods. To reduce your desires, try finding healthier alternatives to enhance your serotonin levels, such as meeting up with a friend, watching a comedy movie, exercising, or inhaling uplifting essential oils like neroli or lemon. Healthy way number 5. You won't be able to eliminate eating cravings completely, but you can train yourself to give in less frequently. Mindful eating is the most effective approach to accomplish this. Mindfully eating is paying attention to your body's physical and psychological signs before and after meals and snacks. Take a moment to check in with yourself when you have a strong desire to eat. Any physical indicators of hunger, such as weariness or a growling stomach, should be taken seriously. Also, consider your mental state. How's it going for you today? Do you have a positive outlook on life? Or do you have a negative view? If you're not hungry but aren't in a good mood, think about non-food solutions that can help you feel better. This may be going for a stroll, phoning a friend, journaling, meditating, or performing a random act of kindness. Do whatever makes you happy. In conclusion, food cravings can be a tricky deal to handle. Fortunately, the simple, healthy options in this video can satisfy your food cravings and serve as heart-healthy additions to your lifestyle. So, which food have you craved most recently?
Thanks for watching our video. For more healthy experiences, subscribe to our channel and keep yourself updated by pressing the bell icon.